Hey guys, Basil with Grayson Hobby, and today I have the Eachine SkyHunter. Forgot the name in there for a second. It's a great little airplane. It's built for FPV. The canopy comes off and you can mount a camera real easy to it. There's two things I want to let you know. Number one, the kit does not come with any glue. I used to use Foam Tac. It's real easy to use. I use it on all my foam airplanes. And number two, it does not come with a manual. So here's a quick build video on how to do it.